Did you know the kiwi bird is a unique flightless wonder? These little guys are nocturnal, making them quite elusive at night. Kiwis have a keen sense of smell, unlike most birds that rely on sight. They use their long beaks to forage for insects and worms underground. Kiwis are also monogamous, often forming lifelong pairs for breeding. Did you know a kiwi's egg is about 1/5 of its body size? That's huge. The male kiwi incubates the egg, showing a rare role reversal in birds. Kiwis are national symbols of New Zealand, loved by locals and tourists. Sadly, these unique birds face threats from habitat loss and predators. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these endearing creatures.